Hi, in this simple tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset color settings in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to make one really simple thing. You need to click right mouse button on icon of a start, and then you need to go to settings. After that, we need to open System, Display, Sound, Notifications and Power Options. And now we need to go to the first tab. It is Display tab. We need to open it. Then we need to scroll down and we need to open Advanced Display Settings. Then display adapters should be displayed here. So we are interested in to find this one option, Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. I click on this one option. Then I need to go to Color Management tab, and then I click Color Management button. Now I need to go to Advanced tab, and I need to click here Change System Defaults. Then I click Advanced again, and I check here this one option, Use Windows Display Calibration. So I check this box, and then I click Close button, I click Close button again, and I click OK. After that, you will need to restart your PC, and your colors should be restarted. But before that, I recommend you to make one really important action. Please like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and if I helped you, remember to buy me coffee from link in description. That's all, thank you for watching.